Hello there and welcome to this tutorial video where it's going to be a guide on how to utilize the Domain Explorer for extracting keywords from competitors. Now, this walkthrough is going to provide you with a step-by-step process for effectively utilizing the Domain Explorer and the general workflow to extract keywords from weak competitors in your niche. Now, please note that the features described in this video are only available to monthly and yearly subscribers. So just to recap, you'll see how to use the Domain Explorer, how to extract their top ranking keywords, and how to create a report based on the extracted keywords. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So to get started, we are going to navigate to the Domain Explorer over here on the left-hand side of our navigation. And once we click on that, we'll be redirected to the Weak Domain Explorer. Now, to discover websites with related topics that are considered weak, we need to utilize the search bar. So, for instance, if you are interested in disc golf, let's go ahead and search for disc golf. We can type that in there and we'll see the results down here below. Now, take note of the topics column over here on the right-hand side, which features disc and golf as the foremost entry indicated by the purple labels on the left-hand side. This signifies the website's emphasis on this significant topic, and the topics are arranged in a left to right order of importance for that website. Let's try another example. This time we'll search for Japan, Tokyo. And again, make sure you take note of the main topics over here on the right-hand side. For now, I'm going to go ahead and jump back to our disc golf search. Now, the second step is to use the filters to filter down our results even further. For example, for the DA, maybe I want it to be a max of 15. So I do that and I click on apply. Then for the traffic, maybe I want a minimum of 1,000. Type that in there and then click on apply. And then for the age, let's say that I want less than 3 years. Now, these will give you rather new websites that don't have many backlinks and some traffic. And once we have this new list, we can go through this list and click on the little plus symbol to add them to our extract list. So I'll go through here and we'll add, let's say, about 10 different websites. And once we have our 10 different websites added, we are now going to navigate to the extract option over here on the left-hand side. Once I'm here, we'll find the list of the websites that we've selected. And you'll notice that we have two different tabs, ranking and sitemaps. The ranking will extract the top 1,000 ranking keywords of each website that you've added. It's great to fetch the top ranking keywords of weak websites. The sitemap extraction will extract URLs from the sitemaps, plus it'll fetch the related keywords. This is great to fetch the content plan of competitors. And it's important to note that not all of their pages might be ranking. But for now, let's head back to the ranking, and we're going to use this and use the extraction feature and go ahead and click on extract. And once that is finished, we can see the keywords that were found. In my case, 5,625 were found. And from here, we are going to click on top 10 to get their top ranking keywords. And after clicking on top 10, we can check or uncheck different options. If we uncheck Analyze All, this will allow us to filter keywords before analyzing them. Once I have that unchecked, I'm going to go ahead and click on Import. And once I'm inside of the report, I'm going to click on Fetch Volume on the right-hand side. And once I'm done fetching that volume, I can then click on Topics and hide any unwanted topics. Then I'm going to go inside of the questions at the top here. And I personally like to focus on question types of keywords. So I go to questions. I'm going to use the search bar here and I'm going to search for golf. Then I'm going to click on topics and I'm going to select disc. And this way, we'll get all of the keywords that contain golf and disc. And once we have that, we can now bulk analyze all of these ideas. So we're going to select them all, and we are going to go ahead and analyze all of them. And as you'll find, you'll start to get a really great list of keywords that you can tackle. And that there is exactly how you can utilize the Domain Explorer and extract keywords from weak competitors. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.